Coloring by Fairy Cherry. Hello, sweetie pies! It's me, Fairy Cherry, and today we're going to use colors in our imaginations to make something super duper fun! Remember to like and subscribe for more exciting coloring journeys! H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P Q-R-S-T-U-V-W-X-Y-and-Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Remember to like and subscribe for more exciting coloring journeys!
Hickory-dickory-dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5, she went to her hive. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
Hiya, sparkly stars! Fairy Cherry's in the house, and we're going to shine with colors!
Hickory-dickory-dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6, oh little 6. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock.
wishing you a world full of colors and smiles until next time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay connected with Fairy Cherry.